Oh, man, what a great view. Just watching it with me with my buddy.
Boy, Mayor, this is a great view. I wish I can do some more of it.
Yeah, but we gotta get back to Rare Springs.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Mike. Sully.
Oh, what are you two doing here?
We just wanted to check it on you and see how you're doing. High five. Oh, yeah. High five. Oh, yeah.
What you got the clipboard in your hand, Mike? What you got the clipboard?
What got for work? We're going to the scare floor. Want to come with us?
Sure, we'll go, but we gotta go. We gotta race. He's got a race.
Okay, McQueen, you can go.
I got a race.
To all your viewers while shouting out here, it's my honor to say the following words. Thank you for watching. This video is now ending. Now, if you don't subscribe to Spencer Lee, I would come at you! Yeah! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. And have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.